Hello internet world and welcome to a new video on the Geekanoids channel. Really excited to bring you my unboxing and first look at the brand new Echo Show 5 from Amazon. This is a 5.5 inch bedside table companion which supports lots of smart features including the likes of Amazon Music, Spotify, BBC, Ring, Hive, Prime Video and so much more. And I'm really excited to bring you my unboxing and first look. If you want to see my full review, indeed there will be a link down in the video description to where you can watch that video. So without further ado, let's open the box up. Wow, this is very cool. It's available in white or black and I've got the white version here. It's very compact. Absolutely love it. We'll take a closer look at this in a short while. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So we do get Echo Show 5 quick start guide, how to plug everything in and get everything up and running. We also get some extra regulatory information. We get a sheet with things to try, so you can say obviously the keyword, which is Alexa, and then ask it to do various skills and questions. So that's really nice. Also some extra things to try. So we've got two of these. Well, they're just making sure we know how it works. And then in the bottom of the box here, we have got a white to match the colour of the device, 3-pin UK power adapter. This is going to be used obviously to power the device. So let's take a closer look at this and peel off this wrapping. I absolutely love the colour of this. It's so cute and dinky, very small. Absolutely love it. Now I will be doing in my full review a little comparison between this and the full size Echo Show. This looks extremely nicely made. So 5.5 inch display. This is a full colour screen. We've also got here a front facing camera, but it's got an actual physical sort of mechanical shutter on it. So you can use this switch on the top to physically cover up that camera. And I think that was a good move by Amazon because this really is destined to be like next to the bedside, so on a bedside table. Also across the top we've got the volume up and down. We've also got the mute button here to stop it from listening from these microphones. We've got the cloth grille on the back, which is really nice. This is where the speaker is housed. And then of course on the back here, we've got a 3.5mm auxiliary input. We've got micro USB and also the input for the power supply. Nice rubberized base on the bottom, so it's not going to slip around. And then some holes on the bottom, which I would imagine are for ventilation. I would imagine that the audio comes out of the actual speaker grille around here somewhere. But we'll cover that off in the full review. So really nice looking device, really excited to get this up and running. And please do check out that link down in the video description to both the full review and also where you can pick up one of these for yourself. This was my unboxing and first look at the Amazon Echo Show 5. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in another video very soon.